Everybody's talking to AI, but how do you make it talk back just right? Let's crack the code with prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is like giving super specific instructions to a really smart assistant. The better your prompt, the better the response you get. For example, ask ChatGPT, "What's the weather?" and you'll get a broad answer. But say, "What's tomorrow's weather forecast for New York City?" and bam, specific info. To master prompt engineering: 1. Be specific. Details matter. 2. Use context. Give some background. 3. Ask follow-ups. Keep refining. 4. Experiment. Try different angles. Why does it matter? Knowing how to talk to AI is a game changer. It's a skill that'll make your interactions way more effective. So start practicing and see how your AI chats transform. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Got questions or topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below.